Danny? Danny? Danny, under the couch. Hey! Hi! Ah! Yeah!
You tried to crawl under. Why are you looking under? Tough guys. Tough guys. Come here. Crawl under the couch. Ah, you found me. Papa, where is your sock? Where? Are you being a cutie? Did you find your toes? You're funny. Under the couch. Under the couch. And we're gonna start our own show. It's called Under the Couch. Under the couch. Aww, you little Kirby baby.
Kirby. Watch, he'll plop down and he'll be under the couch. He's been doing it all day. Oh, I'm gonna look under the couch before he plop down. Look at that butt. Dad. And the one missing sock. Did you lose a sock or did you find one? I'm guessing you found one. Now where you going? Hi. Hi. Danny, can you go? Silly.